AUDUSD. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this currency pair Australian dollar against the US dollar. Now before we do the analysis for 25th of April 2025, you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and below the video you will find some links which we have to talk about first. The first link says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. So if you are a newbie and you do not want to learn all this complicated stuff of manual trading, then you can check out the first link and come to this page, and you can check all these screenshots and money proofs, and you can see how this method of automation might work for you. So in case you want to try something on autopilot, check out the first link. Second link says join free Telegram channel. So in case you want some free signals every now and then, make sure you are connected with me on my Telegram channel. And then there is a link where it says send profits here. I will talk about that in a moment. Okay. So it says check out best prop firm Forex firm. So once you click on that one, in case you are looking for funding, so let's say you know how to trade, but you don't have enough money. So for example, you want to start trading with $10,000 account, 20,000, 50,000, 100,000, but you don't have that kind of money. Okay, so in that case, you can join the best prop firm in the world. When I say best, it is the best. That's it. So in case you want to pass the challenge and you're confident you have the skills, then go and join the prop firm. And in case you have the money and you just need a reliable broker, then you can sign up with one of these brokers, and then you can deposit your money and start your trading journey. Okay. So again, coming back to AUDUSD. Now, before we do the analysis, disclaimer is that my videos are for educational purposes only, and I am not responsible for any of your profits and losses. However, I know what I'm doing, and below the video I have added a link which says send my profits here. So what is the objective here is that if you make any profits with my videos, with my knowledge, okay, I'm not asking you to join my Telegram channel or give me some monthly subscription. Maybe I will do that in the future if I want to, but I had this idea since last few days, since last 2-3 days. I had this in my mind that I want to see how many people actually implement my knowledge through these videos, and then they actually make profits. So if you are watching my video and then you go and implement my strategy, and then when you make real profits, in your trading life, then I want to see how many people will get back to me to share their profits. I'm not asking you to enroll into my $1,000 course before I do this analysis. Okay. Uh, all of this stuff which you see in the coming days from me on my YouTube channel is going to be a hardcore content which you will not find anywhere for free. Okay, people will do analysis and all that when you are their paid member, either in Telegram or either in their course. Okay, for now I'm doing everything for free. So that's why I had this idea. So you will find the link below which says send my profits here. What does it mean? I just want to see how many people are real out there, how many people still have a heart. Okay, I don't need your money. I don't need your money, but I want to see how many people are actually there, like living beings. Okay, so if you make there's no obligation. Okay, if you make profits with my knowledge and then you want to come back and share your profits with me, whatever amount you want, there is no obligation. Okay, then you can click on that link and then share the amount of money. What it will mean to me is that I will have an idea how many people made money with my knowledge. Do you understand? If I go about selling my course or join my Telegram, I will make money. I know that. I will make money if you join my Telegram. I will make money if you buy my course. That's all right. But how do I know that you made money? So what I am doing for now is that I will give you my free knowledge. Go and make money with my knowledge. After that, if you're a real person, come back to me and share your profits, whatever amount you like with me, depending on how much you made. So I'm not asking you to give me anything from your own pocket right now. If you like this idea, send a comment below my video if you like this idea. If you're a hater, don't leave your comment, because then I will take you down. Okay, so let's start with the analysis with the top-down approach. So we go back to weekly in AUDUSD. And by the way, if you're a scalper, I don't give you any 5 minutes or 15 minutes entry signals, but you can use my long-term analysis to check the trend and everything, and then you can take your position. So weekly, we have a rejection from the EMA. So it hasn't crossed the EMA yet, but we know that Australian is in uptrend in the daily time frame. Okay, so it has crossed the daily on 11th of April. So AUD is in the uptrend now. Now, sure, shall we enter buy position right now? Because we have to go to 4 hour. 4 hour is also uptrend. So when when 2 time frames out of 3 are in the same direction, that is the trend confirmation. Okay. So 4 hour is uptrend, daily is uptrend. We are in the buy trend. When should you enter? Come here again. Okay. So we had this small sell trend in last 24 hours, you can say. So this low and then another low, but then we are pushing up. Okay. So it has rejected the EMA and then it's taking a pullback in 4 hour. After that, you will see a blue candle. Then you can enter. Now, let me go back to 1 hour to make this very clear to you. So in 1 hour, if you see, we had this small trend which was over here, and then now we are pushing up. So you can see it has broken previous high, it has broken this candle has broken this high, and then pull back, then again then again we have this bullish candle, again a pullback, and again we are having a bullish candle. This is 1 hour. We go back to 2 hour. In 2 hour, you can see here we have this closing at let me check, 6359, and this one at 63593. Okay, so 63594 and 63593, new low was created, but we have we have broken this blue candle you see in 2 hour. Okay, so this previous high is broken, so we are definitely in the uptrend, continuation of the uptrend. Okay, so if you go back to 4 hour, when should you enter? Because I take, and sometimes you get the entry signal in 4 hours, sometimes you get the entry signal in daily chart. In this case, we are into 4 hour. So when should you enter? So this, I think this low trend is over because EMA is rejected. Blue candle has eaten this red candle, and we are in the uptrend. So as soon you have this what we say, this red candle, and after that we have a blue candle, you can enter your position, and then you can take your profits somewhere here, maybe a 1:2 ratio. Okay, but remember that on 25th of what is the date, 25th of April, we do have bank holiday in New Zealand and Australia. Okay, so you have to be careful. If you are trading AUD or NZD, if you want to skip, you can skip. Otherwise, the trend is up, and we have finished the downtrend, and we are in the continuation of the uptrend. Okay, as you can see, the same thing in the daily as well. In the daily, last 2 days had been down, and now we are moving up. So definitely it's an uptrend now. You can enter whenever you feel like. You can go back to 1 hour, maybe 2 hour, and you can go back to 4 hour as well. So as soon this pullback is done, next candle will probably be blue, but there's a holiday on 25th, so just keep an eye, be careful, and trade safely. And if you like what you see, then subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, check out these links, and if you made any profits with my knowledge, make sure you come back and share to me, because then I will know how many people are actually watching my video, implementing my strategy, and actually making money. That's the motive behind sharing the profits. Otherwise, it's okay, and we will see how many people do have a real heart. So only the time will tell. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.